There's still a makeshift memorial here for 27-year-old Jacob Baldwin, who was assaulted back on October 12th. The family asking for justice. Now they're one step closer to getting that. One person has turned themselves in and others have now come forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we thank you all for coming out.
27-year-old Jacob Baldwin was a beloved son.
I could say many great stories, great things about that boy.
And friend to many.
Jacob was a very strong man, a very powerful man, a very good man.
Police say Baldwin was the victim of an aggravated assault in Richmond's Scott's Addition near Bingo Beer several weekends ago. He died as a result of his injuries days later, sparking a citywide search for those responsible.
I want justice. I need justice.
Just one day after this press conference calling on those with information to come forward, 27-year-old Nico Rivera of Mechanicsville turned himself in and was charged with second-degree murder. According to court records, Rivera faced an assault and battery charge in 2020, which was dismissed. He has a bond hearing set Tuesday morning.
When there's a violent offense like this, there's inherently sort of a risk to the public seen by the court usually. So, that could be tougher to get out on bond when you've got a violent offense. But if you don't have a lengthy record and there's some assurance that he's going to show up in court, then he might very well get a bond.
Investigators say they're not looking for any other subjects at this time. We still do not know what led up to the assault on Jacob Baldwin. Legal analyst Todd Stone says it will likely come from surveillance video and witness testimony from the folks police were searching for.
If there's people out there who observed it and they are interviewed by the police and then they can come testify at trial, if they're testifying to things that amount to a second-degree murder, then that's what you would expect to see a judge or jury convict them of. And that means a malicious assault of another person that results in a death. It has to be malicious and intentional.
Now, what about the people that Richmond police were searching for? Could they also be held criminally responsible for this? Virginia law says that if someone witnesses a crime like an assault and they fail to report it, it's not against the law. However, if someone was aiding and abetting in this crime, they too could possibly face a second-degree murder charge. In Scott's Addition, I'm Elizabeth Holmes, CBS 6 News.